So, hi dear Aries, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading for all the Aries Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 23rd till the 29th of September. For those who are in complete no contact or no communication and wants to know what's going on the other side, if it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video, okay, honey? And if you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. It's a healing modality, self-healing modality, and it is definitely life-changing. You can literally heal any area of your life with that particular modality. It's very easy to understand and use. Okay. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. Please keep in mind the roles can be reversed also. The action can be from your side also. And again, if it is more than 1 year of no contact, so I guess this reading is not valid for you. Yeah. Let's see, Aries, the person that you are no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see. We have the Knight of Pentacles, the Knight of Wands, the Seven of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the Page of Pentacles. First of all, I don't see this person is only waiting for you or you are the only one in their life. I do see this person having other options too that they are dealing with. Maybe they have just started, opening up to other people, other energies. But I do see other energies also in this person's vicinity. Okay. Now, in this situation between you and them, this person is feeling like coming towards you, taking some kind of action in this direction, but they're in this energy of like waiting and watching. They're in this energy of detaching themselves from the situation, re-evaluating the situation from a distance, understanding what they should do and what they should not do in this direction. Okay, so this person is not in any kind of hurry or rush. This person is feeling like they should take the time, take the initiative from their side whenever it is possible from their side, but for the time being they should just wait and watch and take the baby steps towards the situation, or take the steps only, take the initiative only, take the action from their side only when they feel like they should. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are the intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the Nine of Cups, the Five of Pentacles, the King of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Four of Swords. Okay, their intention is to come out of this victim mode, come out of this feeling left out in the cold kind of mode. Now, for some of you, it could be possible that they left you for something else or someone else. Now they feel like clearing, now they want to clear the air with you, like why they left and what happened and what was happening behind the scenes and everything like that. So, this person definitely wants to clear the air with you regarding some kind of betrayal, regarding some kind of either leaving you or leaving the situation without telling you. Like, take it how it resonates with you, but there was some kind of betrayal kind of energy in the situation, either from your side or from their side. They want to talk to you about that. They want to clear the air with you in this context. Okay, and now this person wants to heal the situation. It's like two mature adults healing the situation and coexisting in the universe. Okay, individually, not together, but this person definitely wants to heal the situation. Maybe they want to come towards you, or they want to take the initiative towards you only to heal the situation between you and them, only to clear the air between you and them, or clear the communication, miscommunication, or whatever happened when you guys separated at that point. Okay, at the time. Okay, let's see what action is this person going to take towards you. Is this person going to take towards you um till the 29th of September, honey? We got the Five of Cups, the Sun card, and the Two of Swords, and the bottom of the deck is the Six of Swords. It's like right now they are very sure that they did something that they can't recover from. Okay, like for you, for like about this connection, or they messed up. They messed up, and they're regretting what they did, or they have certain kind of guilt regarding whatever they did in the situation, right? But they're feeling blocked right now. They're very sure, pretty sure about the situation, that even if they're going to come back towards you, it's not going to go anywhere. So it's better to keep their energies, keep their guilt and regret to themselves, and keep moving on. So it's like right now they're not planning to come back around. They're planning to come back around, or they're planning to talk to you As of now, their only intention, their only energy is telling me that they want to talk to you, they want to have a proper communication with you, even if it is going to be the last communication between you guys, right? But they think right now is not the right time, because even if they're going to try, either they're feeling blocked by the situation, or they're feeling blocked by you, or simply this person is feeling like right now is not the right time to take any kind of initiative in this direction. So it's better to keep moving on, it's better to keep moving ahead, and not look back, and not to look back in the situation. So right now they are very much in this energy of letting go and surrender. And definitely this person is dealing with other energy, or other energies as well, if not a particular person, because they are trying to keep their energies open towards new things, new people, new situation, new experiences. According to them, they have done enough of waiting, enough of everything from their side. Now they're moving on to the next chapter of their life, but they definitely want to clear the air with you in some way, and that they will at some point of time, but not right now. Yeah. So thank you so much for tuning in, Aries. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.